Alright, today we have a 2007 NS Pajero 3.2 litre that came in with a customer complaining that it was lacking power sometimes, didn't respond, and was just drivability was all over the place. Now we scanned it, there was no actual codes in the system, everything checked out fine on live data. However, what we did find is that the EGR, the motor is actually separate to the plunger component of it, and even though it was reading correctly on the scan tool, the valve in the EGR was getting stuck. So we're going to show you, run through how to fix this without really spending a hell of a lot of money on it. It takes a little bit of time, but then that's all it's going to take.
So all you have to do is disconnect this plug here, remove these 4 bolts. There's also this pipe here that runs over to the exhaust manifold. What I did was take it off from the exhaust manifold and just set it on the bench, and then it was easy to get these 2 off, but you can leave that on the vehicle if you want. Undo these 4, that whole assembly pulls out. Undo these 4 Phillip head screws, that's your motor with the plunger, and then what you want to do is clean this metal component here. You'll see there's a valve inside, and it's on a metal spring, and I just used some Penrite P26 cleaner, soaked it in it, just kept working it, and it became nice and free and easy to move. Just refit this motor, put it all back together, and away you go. The only tip I can give you if you're trying to do this at home and you don't have access to a scan tool, don't turn the ignition on while this is disconnected, because it will log a code and you'll have a check engine light on the dash. But if you just pull this apart, clean it up, put it all back together, push this plug back on, then turn it on and start it up, that will fix it. Now, I would recommend you do this every 20 to 40,000 Ks. It's not a difficult job to do, but it keeps your emission systems running beautifully. Thank you, and I hope it helps.